Hello friends, today we will discuss the type of coding and decoding number and symbol coding. So let us see the questions. The first question is, in this question the code for word is given, that is 34586. Word is WORLD and the code is given 34586. The code for land, that is LAND, is given, that is 8276. Now we have to find the code for long. So first of all, here we see, here the code for W is what? 3. So here W comes, that is 3. So here we will write at the third place, at the place of W, 3. Now what is the code for L? First of all, we will see that whether in these two codes, the codes which are given, in these two codes, whether the code, the alphabet which is given has the same code. Okay, so let us see. Here the code for L is 8 and here the code for L is 8. So, and here the code for D is 6 and here also the code for D is 6. So it is clear that in place of alphabet, the code which is given is correct of that alphabet only. So let us now place the codes for long. The code for L will be 8. Here we will write 8. The code for A will be 2. The code for W is 3 as we have already written. The code for N will be, from here we will write N, that is 7. So the final code for long will be 8237. Okay. Now let us see the second question. Here also we will see first whether the codes are given in the order or not. So first we will see, here also C comes and here also C comes. So we will see the first and third place of the code. That is 3 also comes and 3, here also 3 comes. So that means the code for C is 3 only. And here the code for E is given 6 and here the code for E is given 6. So the codes are in order. So now let us find the code for clerk. In place of C, what is the code? 3. So here we will write 3. L, what is the code for L? Hash. So here we will write hash. The code for E is 6. Here we will write 6. The code for R is at the rate sign, and the code for K is 1. So here we will write 1. So finally the code for clerk will be 3 hash 6 hash 6 at the rate 1. So this is the final answer. Similarly, all the questions of this type can be solved by this method. So we will solve all the questions of this type by this method only. And if you have any problem regarding these questions, then please contact our channel. Okay. So now we will see the next type in the next video. Okay. And thank you for watching more videos. Please subscribe our channel Moving Frame Production.